Hello friends, I am from Pasan from Sri Lanka. Today I am going to present this circuit as a door lock sensor. When the lock is on, the door is locked, we can make a sense. Okay, here's the circuit diagram that I am using, and I am taking my output as a normal white color LED, and this is the arrangement of my circuit. I have made a small box for that, so it is smart. So you can see that in here I am using a 12 volt DC supply for my voltage source, and there's a white color LED, and this resistor I am using here. This is a 1K quarter watt resistor, and here I am using a LDR to take my sensor, and here I am using a preset, that is 10K preset, and here I am using a transistor. This is normally NPN 2SC828 transistor, and here I am using a normal rectification diode with parallel to the relay. This is a 12 volt relay, and so in this front space I have settled the LED and LDR very much closer. So I am using this technique as when the door lock is come across these two sensor and LED, this relay turns on. So shall we check this out? So I am going to give power to my circuit, and here now you can see that my circuit is on and my output is on also. So when the door lock is come to closer, this thing, the output is cut off. Okay, you can see here when I am covering this light source, the output is 0. Yeah, this is a very simple thing. This simple circuit can be used to have a sense of the lock is on for a normal door. And here I have used additional switch in this circuit. This switch is used, we can turn this switch off by setting it to middle point. You can see that both points are, the LEDs are in off condition. So when I turn this switch into other side, I have given power to output but not to my circuit. So this switch can operate the output voltage with and without the sensor circuit. So you can enjoy this small example, and I appreciate your feedback. Thank you.